So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how can I listen to the ChatGPT's text in audio format from anywhere, like from your smartphones or your laptops. Now, in order to do it, simply open ChatGPT and write a prompt that you want to ask the question for. Now, for example, if it has replied to me, now scroll down till the response is and here you'll see this option of something like speaker on right there. Simply click on this option and you'll notice that it will take some time and
The Eiffel
start
Tower, La
pronouncing
Tour
and
Eiffel,
start
is one
saying
of the
what
most
I have asked
iconic
from it.
architectural landmarks in the world, located in Paris, France.
So as you have listened, it will start pronouncing, it will start telling me all these texts in audio form. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.